Israel detains 11 Palestinians in overnight raids. OIC denounces Israeli violations in occupied Jerusalem. Hamas praises Russian effort on Palestine issue. Turkey receives 15th shipment of S-400 hardware. Iraq, Turkish diplomat martyred in armed attack in Erbil. Turkish jets destroys PKK terror nest in Kandil and Iraq. Bomb blast kills 5 regime soldiers in Syria's Dara. Armed group attacks Libyan lawmaker in Benghazi. Indonesia slams Israel and calls for boycott. Bangladesh, 10 killed as flood situation worsens. Pakistani premier vows to try Indian spy under law. Mediation on Babri mosque to continue, Indian court.